Welcome to another round of Exploding Record Roulette. Introducing to the arena another of our pumpkins, lovingly hand vandalized by my good friend Molly. This is Ass Crack Lives at Home Tommy, or who we call Tommy Mama's Boy. So Tommy will enter the arena in place of Thonga, who, after taking 2 near misses and a shot to the moon, has finally hooked her last street corner and shattered off her mortal coil. So, carrying the pride of the pumpkins is Tommy. In the arena, let's face it, I'm running out of champions again. I have luscious rubber-faced Lori here, who apparently, that girl, she can make a sandwich, because she can take a licking and it doesn't barely leave a mark. We've got my little Stony, and my little Stony's starting to sober up, so I wanted to make sure that he can see what's coming. We have Crappio Shack, the remote control that does nothing universally. And we got Tommy Lives at Home Harris here, representing the pumpkins. On the arena, the deck, the platter, the gun, is a big blue Columbia. Now, I have no idea what's the difference between the blue ones and the red ones, but the last blue one we ran put a hole in the arena wall. This record's flawless. So, as has been the case the last few records, even the motor is in on this, because I'm expecting maybe even 100 volts straight to the brushes. I'm expecting 20,000 plus RPM or better. I have no idea if the motor will survive. So even our motor is a participant in the arena. As always, 10 volts, well, 15 now that the bearings are screwed. 15 volts. Let it stabilize. Ramp it up. Okay, it came loose. Oh, look at it stop. Definitely. Motor is in the arena. Bringing it on. 10 volts. 15. 20. 25. It took 35 volts to knock it loose. Alrighty then. This is at 20 volts and it's coming to a halt. There it is, stabilizing at 35 volts, bringing the power on. When that started to come loose, I just hit the floor. Fucking, I ain't gonna be anywhere near this thing when it started to do that. Alrighty then. Well, we've had a motor development. How does the motor feel? Hey, that freed her right up. It has broken 3 of the 4 feet off. I think that grinding noise was this plate, which has now been ripped up. In the arena, my little Stoney's fine. Lives at Home Harris, he's gone. And Crapio Shack is fine. Huh. I think the big winner there was the motor. I just wanted to make sure you guys had a chance to see what it's doing. There is record embedded in the wall right there. Shading all that. See that right there? That is the arena wall. Here is the motor itself. Ripped from 3 of its mountings. But we can fix her, I think. Those comm bars look okay. Motor itself is hot, but she is ready to go more. Yeah. My little Stony. You. Okay, you little token bastard. So, there we go. Until we fix the arena. Keep fighting from all of us. This thing's all mouse pissed on. But otherwise it's okay.